Hi, I'm James and I founded TiPJAR 3 years ago to help tip workers earn more in an increasingly cashless world and to help businesses reward and motivate their best staff.
Tipped workers are earning less each year as cash transactions reduce. The COVID-19 crisis only supercharged this problem, leading to a reduction in hospitality workers' earnings across the world, including here in the US, where $45 billion a year changes hands whilst tipping.
Not only that, but bar and restaurant owners have to comply with complex regulations governing the management of tips. They struggle with the administrative burdens and, should they get it wrong, can face substantial fines or PR fallout. Also, traditional ways of managing tips offer little or no transparency to team members, and that can leave staff feeling shortchanged.
At TiPJAR, transparency and fairness is key to what we do, so we are completely transparent with our fees as well. We add our payment processing fees on top of the tip, so the customers can cover it on behalf of the team. Due to the UK and EU laws, we have to make this optional, but the good news is that 90% of customers decides to cover these fees on behalf of the staff.
We have created a system dedicated to collecting and distributing tips fairly, transparently, and most importantly, we connect customers directly with staffers themselves.
With TiPJAR, staff get transaction-level detail about every tip. They own that tip instantly and can access it at the end of their shift.
TiPJAR exists because tipping was broken, and we knew how to fix it.
TiPJAR is the world's first multi-currency scalable tipping platform that connects customers directly to tipped workers, able to quickly solve tipping problems in multiple countries around the world.
We have multiple one-of-a-kind products to facilitate this. You can leave a tip with a QR code like this, NFC technology like this, tap-to-tip contactless boxes like this, or with old-school credit card machines like this. Best part? There's no app. You can leave a tip with Apple Pay, Google Pay in under 5 seconds.
Since our first overfunded raise on Crowdcube,
We have grown from 200 to over 1,600 vendors, including some of the UK's best-loved brands.
And processed over 120,000 tips.
we received clearance from HMRC, making us the only viable cashless alternative to a traditional trunk system in the UK.
And soon, 20,000 staff will be live and taking tips on the TiPJAR platform.
We are now live in Ireland, helping workers collect tips in multiple countries across the EU, including
bringing our award-winning platform to the people of France. Rejoignez la révolution.
We've partnered with Visa, launching a huge marketing campaign here in the US, already with hundreds of signups and a crazy amount of traction. We are growing fast.
We launched the world's first ever dedicated contactless tipping device, already live in more than 300 locations in the UK. Coming soon to Europe and the USA with amazing drink brand sponsorships already in the works.
TiPJAR also became the world's first tipping solution to allow tipping through open banking.
The co-founder of Monzo invested in that business and now sits on our board.
We completely overhauled our UK website and launched independent localized versions for the USA, Ireland, France, Germany and Spain, with more on the way.
integrated with dozens of apps.
And we received a grant from the UK government's Sustainable Innovation Fund, investing in our tap-to-tip products and our platform.
We want to continue to invest in our platform and build financial products that benefit our users, including debit cards, microloans, and e-wallets, as well as new ways for you to access your tips directly through our platform.
Hi, I'm Gary, co-founder of Monzo. I decided to invest in TiPJAR because I was completely on board with their mission to reward people in the hospitality industry without the need for cash. As a customer myself, I hate carrying cash, so I want to be able to go out for an evening with friends and family and reward really good customer service at the end of the day without having to dip into my pocket for notes and change.
Our second Crowdcube fundraise will turbocharge the amazing potential we see for our business, with plans already in motion to roll out to the Middle East, Australia and further European countries by the end of 2021.
This is tipping, as it should be.
Direct.
Transparent.
Fair.
And most importantly, controlled by the staff, not by the business.
Your investment can help make us the world's #1 cashless tipping solution.
TiPJAR is live on Crowdview.